So guys, tell me why I am having the best lunch of all time. I don't know what my granny recipe is, but this stuff is really good. I know you'll hear talking in the background, and that's just because I'm watching my YouTube cousin, Alexis and Ava. And what do you know? My name is Ava too. How ironic is that? Yeah, I know. Well, anyway, back to lunch. So my granny, she fixes this lunch that I don't even know how to explain it. But you see, right now, it's got me in deep thought. And I can barely think about what you guys are, probably thinking. However, excuse me, guys, I had to go on and pause my cousins. But don't let them know I said that, guys. Okay, back to me. Anyhow, this stuff my granny's giving me has me so excited all the time. I think it starts with the G and ends with the R. Something like Gibby, Gerber, that's it. It's the Gerber stuff. I don't know where my grandma gets her recipe from, but the name of her stuff is, I think it's that. Well, I'm enjoying lunchtime now. And I hope you are too. And I hope that today started out really good for you. And I hope that your day is happy. And I hope that you get to eat some Gerber food like me, 'cause it's so good. I get so excited because it puts me in deep thoughts. It makes me happy. And it just, look at my toes. My toes speak for themselves. The joys of being a baby. You don't even have to care about what people think. Because why? You're so cute, who's gonna think anything? Anyhow, once again, guys, it looks like I'm getting a little sleepy. But actually, I want to finish my lunch. So I don't want to tell you guys bye too soon, but I want to eat. Okay, can I give you one more minute? And I'm out of here, guys. Okay, so what do you want to ask me? What? Any questions you have, just ask me. However, you're gonna have to go to my grandma's page because I don't have one yet, and I don't know why. I might have to get me a new manager because my granny is too slow. Yeah, so anybody out there looking for someone to manage, I'm here. Don't tell my grandma, though. Please don't tell her, because that would break her little heart. I don't want to break my granny's little heart. No, I don't. That's the sound of it. The thought of it makes me cry. Well, guys, I'm getting a little cranky. I better go on and finish eating my lunch. I love you guys. I hope you love me too. Bye-bye now.